Ake ubingelele baba udokotela bokwesizibojabula ufana umhle njengekhehlana lona ongumzukulu wamancinisa ngiself Dinxoyisa. Baba udokotela usebuilding to Nedbank House building. Sise 19th floor suite 1904 to 1905. Namhlanje siniphathele itopic ethi uNobiya wamashende. Njengoba abantu besifazane benamashende nje ufuna sakhe into esibiza ukuthi uNobiya. Siyilungise le nto leyo. This is Babu Daughter Voices Vouchable for the pleasure Keshamlu. I think we are left behind otherwise. And then Angwasoli Amazon say Africa if they rejected elected to BRICS. Only Ethiopia and South Africa was brilliant about BRICS, but the rest they just rejected it because angaze ngibona into efana le yamina ukuthi izwe elimember yenu lingahlaselwa iopponent ekseni ngebreakfast time. Ebusuku lapha abantu belele lapha abantu bethi bayathandaza abantu bafastile ngenyanga yabe engcwele called Ramadan, and then United Nations tolerate people who are eliminating other nations. This is sad what is happening there. This is sad what is happening in Iran. I don't understand why Islamic countries they hate Iran so much. I just don't understand it. Aliko izwe engilizwa le favor to die where Iran dies. No one is willing to do that. There is something wrong there. There is something wrong. We need somebody who can tell us why Iran is so much hated. There is something that was done by Iran to the West that made other people, in terms of Islamic countries, to distance themselves from Iran completely. China, they sold fake air defense military hardware. They know that the thing was not working. They knew very well. Russia, they sold old, outdated S-300 air defense hardware. Russia is mum, saying nothing about it. He's smiling. It happened in Venezuela. It is happening here now. It happened in Pakistan when India was attacking Pakistan. Those air defense were from China and Russia. And they are not working. Israel has gained superiority in terms of airspace, controlling airspace in a foreign country. What happened to their readers? They all turned blind. There is something wrong there. There is something wrong that is happening. And then kodwa nje siyabuka sithi umuntu osahlele kuleyanto oyibiza ngebreaks akazohlaleleni, because kuyacaca ukuthi baningi abantu amanye amazwe futhi call it BRICS members angahlaselwa futhi ngenzeke lutho, angahlaselwa phinde ngenzeke lutho. Uyabona kumanje iSudan icabanga ukuthela umpethu eSethiopia ngoba kunama drones aqhamuka eTopia azowela eSudan. iSudan mithanda ngayithela induku, and then no one will answer anything. No one will answer anything. Engisho ukuthi ake le nto lena sibuke ngenye indlela. Mase sizibuza ukuthi lo General Kwame lona osebemlengisile, he has survived more than 9 times. Akafi bayafa abanye. Who are the CIA field work? Those are Iranians. Those are Iranians. Those are Iranians. Meaning that nabo bazikwaza ngowabo. Into esifuna siyibheke lapha, who is the foreign minister of Iran? That foreign minister has to be taken for questioning, because after this mayhem has happened, he was the first person to be interviewed. Do you know what he reckoned? You were not listening because I was London listened. Listen to me carefully. Fortunately, when the enemy strike the compound, the leader was not there. But who killed him if he was not there? And who killed him? Somebody killed him. If he should know, he should answer as well. If you reckon that the supreme leader was not there, but who killed him and took the body to the site? Who took the photo of his body? It was Iranians. It was not Americans or Israelites. It was Iranians. It was Iranians. Lento uzofuze siyibheke umbese usika ndawo zonke. I-Iran isenkingeni but izenze yona. I repeat, Iran isenkingeni izenze yona. Yona i-Iran iguqukile yasebenza ne-enemy. Yaphatha amakhamera la maphethe abantu baphethe ibhama abanye. Ukushutha i-leadership yabo isifile and send it to the enemy. We don't understand it. But when the time is right, we will understand what is happening in the country. We will understand. This is Babu Dr. Babsizo Chapliling. The month of April, I spent some time in Mozambique. Ngizobe ngisendaweni yaseMangungumete. eMangungumete kwasala ushintshe laphana. And I was in Mangungumete for like 3 days. I was there for 3 days. And this time ngizohlala mhlambe a week eMangungumete in Mozambique. Ngizobe ngilele eNyasuri. Kuningi ke eNyasuri yona ndawo halala ayikho indawo la lenye ngangungumete akho ndawo bayidakala utshwala laba bantu ayikho nje into ongayisho ngamangungumete mangungumete isemakhaya iyoti indawo eyokulala uthola eVelankos so-called Velankulu or mango oNyasuri lapha athi mase kuthike phela iVelankulu beseni bekude kakhulu kungcono wona ilokhu is 22 kilometers ukusuka eMangungumete uya lapha ezantsi lapha ngasolwandle ulwandle noma lake la noma semba njalo nje kodwa into enjalo ngizobe ngilapho ke ebabudokotela kunokunye ukukhohlakala ofuna sikwenze njengoba ngilande umabhebeza kunami amaqiniso abafuze banginike wona eplangwe siwabhale phansi kunami amaqiniso ofuna mbulwe ngwabathi mase ngifika ngapha ngwadeliver kuwena mase ukhahlela amafojari ubambe ngiyalo zonke ngizokunika zona lapho ke ngisho ukuthi ngizobe ngise-Mos ngephasika abantu abafuna ukubona iphasika surely they are not going to see wabodokotela la into zami ngiphethe lo mshanelo yabona lo mshanelo lo I spent a lot of money ngalo mshanelo I was initiated ngalo mshanelo lana usukuvala amasela la usukuvala amasela la labantu abelo bekufuna kuthiwa behlabe inyuka lana suke sivala bona la ngalo mshanelo lo angisolo waye lo mshanelo ola kumina because into kade ngivese ngiyifuna namhlanje nginayo ke lake mshanelo wami lo ukusebenza la mshanelo wami ukusebenza la ngoba lezi zinto lezi message initiate sesithatha la ke joke kodwa umtholo omkhulu make initiate ethi indodana nansi into nangumsebenzi lo mshanelo lona ke wenza ezinye izinto lo mshanelo kodwa ezinhle nje kakhulu yazi lana into engikuphathele yona ikhohlakele ngikuphathele ngifuna ukuthi njengoba kunalomuntu wesifazane omfuna kangaka but awufuni ukusebenzisa imithi enamandla kakhulu ngifuna uvuke ekseni ungikhelela umchamo wakhe sekuseni bese ngikunika umuthi ekuthiwa iseqa umchamo ngilungisela 1000 bese kunika umuthi ekuthiwa iseqa umchamo ngikunika umuthi ekuthiwa iseqa umchamo umuse ubheka la azoqhamuka ngakhona musuthela khona uma sisi lo baba lo engafuni ukondla ingane efika ngeweekend ahamba athi baphuma nomsebenzi iseqa umchamo sifake enyaweni zakhe ecathuleni lapha ecathuleni zakhe sifake lapha ecathuleni zakhe siqhamchama sifake lapha ecathuleni zakhe mase umyeka ahambe ngeke azabuye yazalalela khona ubuya salala ekhaya seqhamchamo ke leso iseqhamchamo sisebenzisa webhayethu umuntu babudokotela nginento engiyidayisayo njengoba ngidayisa nje ngiphatha ibhakede ngiwina amabhayidi lamakhekhe lamagwinya liwafu this time ngeke kuzekwenzeke uzothatha iseqhamchamo usithele la abantu abadlula khona uma kuyi tech shop ePakistan hamba uye pheka sefika uthele labantu abanyathela khona mebema bekhokha labo abantu abathenge lapho bazobuya bezoshiya ushintshe kwena bazothenga lapho kodwa ushintshe ababuye nabo bazobuya bezoshiya kwena uyaqala kuyabuya umsebenzi iseqhamchamo ke leso ke siyabanika abantu umuntu osoke ethi nje babudokotela nginale 1000 ngiyathatha ngimnike iseqhamchamo asisebenzise sizongisiza ke iseqhamchamo ngoba ziningi into ezisiconcern out thina leminyangeni siconcernwa abantu besifazane bashime ngendlela eyisimanga. Uyabona into yokushima kosisi be right. Shime usisi driver. Shime usisi eyindoni yamanzi. Shime usisi eyellow bone ekhanya kodwa sitela shime futhi. Lokho akushima kwabo. We need to do something akho. Ngiyakutshela ngoba abadodana basizojaba mfana umhlethe khehle uzukula amancane ngisofitha ngixolisa and I'll do something kaloku akushima. Bosisi ngizonika into imisisi ilungile. Ngizokunika into sisiwami ezokwenza ukuthi amadoda abhuze but anemali hayi umsangano. Amadoda abhuze akulandele lawa nemali. La nemali but ngizoyakha mase ngiyanitshela futhi. Ngizoyakha mase ngiyanitshela futhi ukuthi hayi into yeni silungile mase ngiyanika. Ngoba abantu besisa sabakhela nangu uNtombi kaYibhinci, nangu uNtombi kaYibhinci. Uyazi uNtombi kaYibhinci lento le. uNtombi kaYibhinci lona. Nangu uNtombi kaYibhinci so nikhipha nge1000 ikhomba yakhona sekhipha ngo1500 uma ufuna ikhombe ephelele. Kodwa le bhodlela selikhipha umuntu lana othi babudotela mina angifuni ukushela kodwa ngiyabafunda abantu besifazane kodwa ukushela nje ngikufuna. Uyaphuma kuNtombi kaYibhinci lapho. Uma nje kodwa uthi lo muntu unayo imali. Unayo imali babudotela ngiyamfuna lo muntu and yonke into engizama ukuyikhuluma nayo bese angithathise kohlanya. Ukhona kuNtombi kaYibhinci. Siyawukhipha uNtombi kaYibhinci ngisho ukuthi wena uthi uyawufuna uNtombi kaYibhinci. You are not wrong. Ngoba we cannot be pushing everybody ukuthi abahambe boshela. No, thatha uNtombi kaYibhinci. Nikezele usebenzise uNtombi kaYibhinci. uNtombi kaYibhinci owakho sikuthumelana ngendlela kaPhephu uthatha uhambe usebenzise. Yeah, into engizoke ngiyikhulume lana ithi ngifuna ungitholele izinaliti. Yabo inaliti ezingaka zibe u4. Akuthole lezo naliti lezo zibe u4. Njoba uthi une tavern uyazama etavern kwitavern ayuthi adayiswe lento ezayo udayiswe uyazama. Uyazama akwenzeke. Njoba ulapho eBizana ayikho inyanga ezokunika lento engizokunika yona. Ngizokunika umabhebeza mina. Wena uzothi uyaya lapho eMontfrey uthi uyabuza umabhebeza bakutshela into ayomsangano. Uthi uyeliboda bakutshela into yomsangano. Uthi eManflesh abakunekutshela into yomsangano. eFlagstaff bakutshela into yomsangano because baphethe umsangano vese. Ngiphethe umabhebeza ngiphethe iqiniso. Wena ose PSG Port St John ngizokunika umabhebeza mina. Iqiniso kodwa. Njengoba uthi uyazama kulento eyidayisayo utshwala. Ngitholele izinaliti ezingaka zibe u4. Uyangizwa ukuthi thola izinaliti ezingaka zibe u4. Uma usuzitholile musuza kubabudodela uphathe imali amabhebeza. Mase ngikukhandele elakhi joint eliphile. Elakhi joint eliphile. Hayi ukuthi uvala ama joint abanye abantu ulambisa abanye abantu elakhi elakhi joint eliphile. Elakhi joint eliphile. This is babudodo voices about them. Ezinye izinto ufuna sinitshele zona but ngoba senine mindset ukuthi ufuna nithwale. Ufuna lonto sibe nama instrument okuyi destroy at all the times if it's totally space. Ukuthi ufuna ube isigubhu ube nesikhathi la futhi sikwazi ukudestroy khona ngaso sonke isikhathi uma ukuthi sithole ispace. Ekhona ke ngeke ngakusho la ngakukhuluma engizocela ukuthi ningivumele ngiphinde ngikhulume. And then ekukhulumeni kwami I'm still begging people ukuthi angisho ukuthi ningasikhokhela isikweleti. Isikhokheleni isikweleti uma ninayo imali yokukhokha. Lana ngiphethe uvala amazibuko. Phetheni uvala amazibuko. Uvala amazibuko it whereby uthi usampintshekile ukwazi ukukhokha. Siphethe ke uvala amazibuko for that purpose ukuthi wena njengoba uthi usampintshekile ukwazi ukukhokha sizokunika uvala amazibuko. Uvala amazibuko uma uzowuthatha iba no 3000 rand. Mase ngikwakhele ke uvala amazibuko understand? Ukwakhela kwamvala amazibuko dependa ukuthi how serious are you. Ngifuna indwangu emnyama yokuzila, ngifuna ipadlock lenkulu. Sivale lento lene ime lenkampani lokufonela izoma ingaloku ifona futhi. Lapha ngaloku befona futhi. Abame nje. Lapho bese kunika ke uvala amazibuko ke uno 3000. Mase kwakhona ikweleti phela ezinkulu. Angeke phela sisivale ngo 3000. Asikhulu ngathi ekhanda ngeke sisivale ngo 3000. ngeke sizivale ngo-3,000 ngeke sizivale ngo-3,000 bakithi iy'nsizwa ziyasebenza emadolobheni ishilo umama emakhaya iy'nsizwa ziyasebenza emafemini ebusuku ishilo umama ezindlini kodwa zidla amahlanga ziyafohla insizwe ezinye zifohla khona kunjalo bayenza amanye amadoda lana ngiphethe uNobiya uNobiya into okushaya ishende elisuke lilana nomkakho ngoba lithi Themba isibhamu uNobiya ke lokho inyoka le esivusela umuntu sinike umuntu othi babudokotela lo muntu ngiyamsaba kumqonda kodwa uyaqhubeka wenza lento le kumkami umkakho akafebi uvikela wena ngoba uma enganqaba ukwenza lento ngathi unqaba ngoba esaba wena mase bakubulala that is why umkakho ekwazi ukuyenza lento so that if engayenzi lento le iobstacle uwena ngoba uze washo ukuthi hayibo mina nginomkhonyana ngikukhona noma ngathini ezothi mase bambuza bathi usaba yena awubona ongayisabi indoda yakhe mase ethi ayizokulungisela bamshaye musu yafa umkakho ube nebhadi nje lokushelwa abantu abangamhloniphi ukuthi ushadile ube nelelo bhadi lelo ngalo la lezo zinja ufuna sizibulale ngomuthi nje kuphela ufuna sizibulale ngomuthi sidinga uNobiya ke for that ngoba sekhathele ukubeka abantu besifazana njengabantu abambi amadoda alala nabafazi babantu abashadile asebenzisa imbulu amadoda akwazi ukulala nabantu abashadile asebenzisa isiqomiso asebenzisa imithi emimbi ezokwenza ukuthi umuntu esifazana abe nethonya athonyeke lamadoda alala nabantu amadoda alala nabafazi asebenzisa amafutha emfene ahamba ogeza phezulu kwethuna abiza umkakho lento ifika iphile kumkakho njengedlozi abone sathi lento ayenza uselate futhi akana choice kodwa ufuna ayenze kanti ungenwa kulo moya uvuse ethuneni lo sikhohlakala ufuna sesibulale ngomuthi ufuna sinjani sisibulale ngomuthi sinawo kuNobiya ngoba ngifuni kusetshenziswe isibhamu siyabophisa uNobiya ubophisa buthi omdala ungalwi uzohlala ejele uhlale intengele emsebenzi asisenze uNobiya sishaye lento le ihambe yongcwatshwa shaye lento le kuma itende kubo hayi ilumbu ufuna into ezombulala straight ngoba into ayenza wrong into ayenza ihlubi into ayenza undermine wena this is Baba Dr. Voices bojabulile ngikunika lento ke lena ngamabomu ukuthi thatha naku uNobiya qeda umjolo nje uqede nje umjolo uqede ukuchithelwa qede yonke into this is Baba Dr. sakhumuzo wakho asithi bulala abantu siyabonga goodbye thank you